Here come the boats.
Scared.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're at the Hawthorne Bridge. Oh, bear.
That scared me. I'm sure they're going to be really loud. Right, Damien?
Yeah. Can you put a picture of Melissa on? Please.
What?
Excuse me. Put a picture of Melissa on.
What?
On the...
I can't get out the fire tablet right now.
On one of your devices.
What?
Okay.
Which device?
Any device.
My phone or tablet?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe I can do the tablet.
Yeah, the road is closed. You guys. We're gonna gather here on the bridge. Okay, thank you.
Mom needs to be able to see us.
Yes.
And I've
all right.
got a picture of Melissa.
Come on, we're missing it, Mom.
The bridge is going down. Damien.
We're missing the bridge. I wanna... Guys, the bridge is going down now. That's the elevator there, lifting you guys. All right, guys. The bridge is fixed. I mean, it's back down. Bye, guys.